Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the overheating issues. So, don't worry, this is usually caused by heavy usage background applications, charging or environmental heat. Here's how to cool it down. So, at first we need to stop the heavy usage immediately. If the tablet feels hot, close any gaming applications like this, with a moment like this. Stop video streaming, for example YouTube or Netflix. Exit the camera or video recording if you did so. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2, unplug the charger. Charging while using the tablet can cause heat. Remove the charger immediately. Let the device cool before charging again, and don't use your tablet while charging. Move it to a cool place. Avoid sunlight, direct sunlight preferably. Remove from blankets or pillows. Place on a hard, flat surface and keep room ventilated. This should actually fix your issue. Close background applications. So as I told you, something like this to view the recent apps. And here you need to tap this bin icon over here to throw all the applications away. You need to reduce the performance load. Open these settings, and here you need to go to the battery. Now, as you can see, here we've got the power saving mode, and as you can see, we've got power saving mode settings. And what I do recommend doing here at first is to enable the everything option that is here. Here, set this option to 15%, for example, and automatically disable the power saving mode also. What else? Wait a moment, go back. What else can I show you? Tap battery mode, and here tap power saving. Now this should fix your issue. Apart from that, you can try to lower the screen brightness, but we want, for the video sake, I need to go and show you this with normal mode. Here, go to the screen brightness, and here lower the screen brightness manually, and you can preferably disable the automatic mode. And what else? Turn off autosync if needed by going here to the system and updates and backup and restore. Here, as you can see, backup to Google and disable backup to Google just for a moment. Turn off unused features. Open the control panel, and by unused features I mean Wi-Fi if you don't need it, Bluetooth if you don't need it, GPS or location if you don't need it, outdoor rotate if you don't need it, location services, I think I said it, but if you don't need it, you can disable it. And quick share, for example, owner share, just disable all these things. Of course, temporarily, just to get rid of this load, this unnecessary load. Watch for gaming heat. If overheating happens during games, lower graphics settings, reduce the FPS settings, and take breaks between sessions. And as a almost final thing, you can try to hold the power and volume up. Click it actually here, click restart and restart your tablet, but you need to tap this button over here. Now everything should be fine. And as a last resort, you need to just go to device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.